Hi, today I'm going to be talking about another instructional tool that I use in my classroom called Adobe Spark. If you are looking for a new way for your students to really demonstrate their knowledge or a new easy tool to use for project-based learning, Adobe Spark is just for you. So what is Adobe Spark? Adobe Spark can be used for grades 4 through 12 on multiple devices. Adobe Spark is a free integrated web and mobile solution that enables everyone, especially teachers and their students, to easily create and share impactful visual stories. There are three ways that students and or teachers can express their ideas. There is the Spark page, the Spark post, and the Spark video. So as far as these three formats, you're probably wondering, well, which one should my students use? So I'm going to go over the three formats to give you a better idea. The Spark video is basically a narrated movie, and it is best suited for oral presentations, that type of storytelling that you may have previously had your students do on Google Slides or PowerPoint, or even, just a face-to-face oral presentation. The Spark page is basically a highly visual text-based story. Think of it as just a word processor that you wish you had when you were in school, but as such, it is really suited for text-based projects and assignments that involve lots of photographs, videos. You can have students do book reports in this way, or deliver their hypothesis for a science experiment. The Spark page is a really neat feature. The Spark post is very simple. It is an image that is optimized for social media. So this Spark post, students can post on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. So if you're going to be posting any ideas or links, that's really what posts are meant for, to create that compelling attention grabber that students need. So how can teachers use Adobe in education? In the classroom, you can use it for narrative prompts to deliver science fair presentations, student portfolios, classroom newsletters, creative storytelling, book reports, and photo essays, where students pick a photo and they then write an essay about it using the Spark post. For teachers and admin, you can use it for faculty meetings, school newsletters, athletic announcements or extracurricular activity, posts, game updates, school and district reports. So there are so many ways, a variety of different ways that you can implement Adobe Spark in education. So I'm going to go over how to use Adobe. So when you go to adobespark.com, this is the web base that it will bring you to. You're going to click login, and since I already have an account, it's going to just take me in because I signed in with Google. Sorry about that. So when you get to the main page, you see this plus sign here. So you click the plus sign, and this is where you can choose to do a video, do a post. There's a variety of different tools here for you to choose from, but I'm going to do a video. So I click on video and then click on slideshow. And then you can pick a story template or start from scratch. I always like to start from scratch, and that's what I'm going to do today, since it's the first time you may be using and viewing Adobe Spark. So we're going to watch this video real quick. So that's a great tutorial that is very helpful. So I'm gonna create a quick one on growth mindset. In the beginning of this school year, I had all of my 8th grade students create a video on growth mindset, and they loved it. They really shared with me that they felt like they were creating and making a movie. The entire experience for all students is personalized, they have choice, and what's even better is every student creates something different in the end. So it really brings to life what they're learning about and what they think. So real quick, for growth mindset, you have text here, and then to add a slide, you go here, and then I'm going to add a photo. So let's say I wanted to add a photo. There is a whole library of photos. I'm going to type growth mindset, and I'm going to choose this image, and then you can move the image if you'd like. I can edit, make it a little bit smaller. It says difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. And that kind of segues me in to my next thing. So when I'm done, this will be done. Share, I'll hit share. I can publish and invite others to see. So if you are looking for a new destination, a new fun tool, Adobe Spark's for you. And it taps into a lot of the ISTE standards. And today I decided to go with 4A, students know and use a deliberate design process for generating their ideas, creating innovative artifacts. And then 4B, students select and use digital tools to plan and manage a design process that considers design constraints and calculated risks. Thank you.